This video is for my 1991 Honda Civic DX, clean North Carolina title, located in Wilmington, North Carolina. It is a K-ready shell and will come with the following parts that I'm going to go over now. The bumper has been painted, obviously inside and out. The whole car is freshly painted. It has a Volvo 740 lip with the cleanest set of OEM bumper lights that I could find. Comes with EDM ZC single bulb headlights with matching clears, both Stanley. It has brand new Hasport K-series mounts. This one has already been welded and the whole engine bay is painted inside and out, every nook and cranny. Every single bolt has been replaced with either fresh zinc or fresh nickel coating. Everything's been painted. Every bracket comes with a Jbtuned fuel setup, which I have on top of the roof, never been ran through with fuel. Brand new brake booster and master. Brand new cable for the the cable to hydraulic conversion. It has an innovative Pro Series traction bar, again freshly put on. It has karcepts front hubs. You can't see them because they're obviously behind the wheel, but if you look back here, everything is brand new. That is the billet karcepts 36mm hub for K-series, and everything's been powder coated, painted under. You can see that hole is for the K-series block off, or the cable plate that goes for the cables. As you can see here, the interior is just as clean as the outside. It has a flock dash. If you don't know what it is, look it up. It's pretty much like a velvet feeling material, both on the dash and the door panels. Carpet is from 91, but it's fairly clean. It does not have a cluster because if you're running a K-series, you could just run Bluetooth to a tablet, which is what I intended on doing. It does not come with a driver's seat, but it does come with a passenger seat. Everything inside and out under the carpet is all been painted to match the car, top to bottom. As for the trunk and everything else, the rear bumper has been cut for EDM OEM rear fog lights. It has brand new struts, and as you can hear, they're really strong because they're brand new. Like I said, inside here has been coated with POR 15 to prevent any kind of corrosion or rust for the future. Every nut and bolt has been replaced, like I said, with fresh bolts. Under the vehicle, you'll see that it has full ASR rear lower control arm setup. All again has just been sitting on a jack stand. It will not come on coilovers again. It will just come on factory or aftermarket strut and spring, lowering spring setup. I don't consider it part of the sale, but it's just to get it rolling for you guys, whoever buys it. It will come with everything that's EF specific, like the front Truhart upper control arms, because they do not fit other vehicles. The wheel woods do not come on the vehicle as well. It will need front brakes. The rears will come with DA factory brakes, so it will come with rear disc conversion. Just nothing special on it, just factory. Other than that, I have all the interior panels if you cared to run them. I have the rear seats again if you cared to run them. They'll be the same color as the front passenger seat, which is that pleather from 91. It will come on these factory wheels from 91 with factory tires from that age too, so it's all original. But I can include some brand new Rota Slipstreams with our 888 tires that are over here. Like I said, these have not been on the road either. They're fresh with all the bolts and caps in the bag. Like I said, this is a K-ready shell, so all you would need is obviously motor tranny, axles, an ECU, and a shifter, and it'll be ready to drop in. But again, located in Wilmington, North Carolina. That's the overall vehicle. Fenders have cutouts for the JDM side markers and the OEM location. It has a brand new windshield. I'm trying to go over the vehicle, remembering everything I've done to it because I've done so much. But again, this is a DX model, so no sunroof. Expect some dents here and there, although they're not big. There are some that I know of. I just didn't want to put body work on the car because the car is only a 2-owner. So there's that little dent right there in the door. And I think that's about it. Maybe a dent or two on the roof or something like that, but nothing crazy. But again, it's just time to part ways with it just because this project's not going to get done and I lost interest. And I'm just going to put my K series in another car because I just lost interest. I finished building this. This also sold recently to a happy customer in Arizona. It's going to be shipped out. If anybody is interested in getting the car shipped, all you have to do is figure out who can do it for you, and they'll give you a quote, and I'll be here with the car waiting for them to pick it up. So again, the car is a project, so you just have to put in a little wrench time. This is not for somebody who doesn't have any knowledge on how to wrench on cars, because this car will need somebody with mechanical knowledge to finish it. All the hard work and the paint and body and all that stuff is done, so you don't have to worry about that. It's just a matter of putting some parts that I have, and I have a whole parts bin, putting it all in, and you'll have probably one of the cleanest hatches in your area. But yeah, let me know. You can either hit me up here, you can hit me up on REYS_BAYS on Instagram, or Ray on Facebook. Appreciate you guys looking, and hope one of you can own this.